Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Keith Brennan and I am at Back to Health Wellness Center in the beautiful downtown Utica. I know everyone who's in the Midwest has gotten this Arctic chill, so we've gotten lots of snow and some freezing temperatures, and we're supposed to set some records over the next couple days. So I've had a lot of questions with how do we properly shovel snow from patients. So step number one is if you have a snowblower, use your snowblower because that's much better on your back. But if you don't have a snowblower and you have a shovel, like my snowblower is broken right now, what's the proper way to use the shovel? Well, the proper way to use the shovel is to put it out in front of you and push with your legs and try and not bend over and do this type of stuff because that's really hard on your back. So if you can push it all the way to wherever you have to get it, if you can leave it there, that's best case scenario. But at the very least, push it as far as you can, and then bend with your legs and lift and scoop so you're not putting the constant pressure on that low back of yours. And then I want to encourage everyone to be super safe with these freezing cold temperatures, negative weather for highs, and then with wind chill, they're talking about possibly negative 45 to negative 60. So if you cannot be outside in that weather, that's ideal. But even if you're going outside for just small snippets of time, you want to make sure that you keep everything as covered up as possible, your face, your hands, your feet. So your hands and feet get the coldest the quickest, which I'm sure all of you know, but why? Well, you don't have as much blood flow going to that area because it's farther from your body. So the scary thing is you don't feel frostbite. So if something's getting super cold and then you're starting to lose feeling in that, that means you're getting frostbite. So when it can be this cold, you want to make sure to be out there as little as possible. Plus, if you're shoveling snow, and doing things like that, if you do it in little 10 to 15 minute intervals, it's easier on your body, easier on your back anyway. So for all those out there, be safe when you're shoveling, be safe when you're out in that cold. If you are someone who's younger and has a snowblower and you can help your neighbors out, I'm sure they would very much appreciate it. And if you see someone else that's out there, maybe they're elderly, maybe they're young, they don't realize that they're overdoing it or could be getting frostbite, don't be afraid to go lend a helpful hand, but also let them know they got to come inside and come back out in intervals so they stay healthy. Everyone stay warm, and if you have a fireplace, snuggle close by it. Have a great week. Dr. Keith, Back to Health Wellness Center.